next session. We can discuss description of each layer. Okay, first we will go with the physical layer. Physical layer is responsible for carrying individual bits in a frame across the link. Although the physical layer is the lowest layer level in the TCP/IP protocol suite. The communication between two devices at the physical layer is still a logical communication because there is another hidden layer, the transmission media under the physical layer. Two devices are connected by a transmission medium, that is cable or air. The transmission medium does not carry bits, it carries electrical or optical signals. So that bits received in a frame from the data link layer are transferred and sent through the transmission medium. But we can think that the logical unit between two physical layers in two devices is a bit. There are several protocols that transforms a bit to a signal. The physical layer of a TCP/IP describes hardware standards such as IEEE 802.3. The specification for Ethernet network media and RS-232, what we discussed in the previous classes to communicate the data with respect to system and external devices, RS-232 serial communication port. The specification for standard pin connectors. The following are the main responsibilities of the physical layers. Okay, then here we have a hardware specifications, encoding and signaling, data transmission, and the reception of and we have a topology and the physical network design we are going to discuss in the physical layer. Here the two devices are connected by a transmission medium, that is cable or air. We need to know the transmission medium. It will not be carrying any bits, it will be carrying only electrical signal or optical signals. Okay, this is about physical layer. Next, coming to the data link layer. Okay, an internet is made up of several links, that is local area networks, wide area networks, LAN and WAN, connected by routers. There may be several overlapping sets of links that a datagram can travel from the host to the destination. The routers are responsible for choosing the best links. However, when the next link to travel is determined by the router, the data link layer is responsible for taking the datagram and moving it across the link. The link can be a wired LAN or with a link layer switch, a wireless LAN, a wired LAN, or a wireless WAN, wide area network. We can also have different protocols used with any link type. Okay, in each case, the data link layer is responsible for moving the packets through the link. Okay, coming to the protocol with that can be taken the datagram and carry it through the link. Suffixes for the network layer. The data link layer takes a datagram and encapsulates it in the packet called a frame. Each link layer protocol may provide a different services, that is, some link layer protocols provide complete error detection and correction. Okay, some of the provides only error correction. Some frames it will not be error detection. It will be only error correction. Okay, this is about the description of data link layer. Next, coming to the network layer. The network layer is responsible for creating a connection between the source computer and the destination computer. The communication at the network layer is host to host, means computer to computer. However, it will be there can be several routers from the source to the destination. The routers in the path are responsible for choosing the best route for each packet. Which is the best route, it will be going to identify the network layer. The network layer is responsible packetizing and routing and the forwarding the packet through the possible routes. Other services are error and flow control, cognition control we are going to discuss in the network layer. The network layer in the internet includes the main protocol, that is internet protocol IP, that defines the format of the packet called a datagram. At the network layer, internet protocol also defines the format and the structure of an address used in the layer. Then internet protocol is also responsible for routing a packet from its source to the destination, which is achieved by the each router forwarding the datagram to the next router in its path. Internet protocol is a connectionless protocol that provides no flow control, no error control, and no cognition control services. This means if any of these services is required for an application, the application should really only on the transport layer protocol. The network layer also includes, it's a unicast one-to-one. It will be direct connection, and multicast, that is one-to-many routing protocols. A routing protocols does not take part in routing. It is the responsible of internet protocol, but it creates forwarding tables for routers to help them in the routing process. The network layer also has some auxiliary protocols that help internet protocol in its delivery and routing tasks. The Internet Control Message Protocol IMCP helps Internet Protocol to report some problems when routing a packet. With the Internet Group Management Protocol IGMP is another protocol that helps Internet Protocol in the multitasking. The Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, that is DHCP, helps Internet Protocol to get the network layer address for a host. The Address Resolution Protocol ARP is a protocol that helps Internet Protocol to find the link layer address of a host or a router when its network layer address is given. Okay, this is about network layer. Actually, these are the three different layers, that is physical layer, data link layer, and the network layer. Rest of the things will be continuing in the next video. Thank you.